Dear students, I shall discuss on literary terms prescribed in your syllabus. First, heroic couplet. Heroic couplet means doha. Iambic pentameter, lines of 10 syllables. Heroic couplet is a pair of two rhyming together, 5 stress lines of iambic pentameter forming a unit in heroic, mock heroic, and serious poetry. In other words, the heroic couplet consists of two iambic pentameter rhyming together. It is called heroic because 10 syllable iambic verse, whether it rhymes or not, it is called heroic because it was closely related with the adventures of heroes. Main characteristics of heroic couplet. First, there is a pause at the end of first line indicated by a comma signifying partial completion of the sense. Second, there is a pause at the end of couplet indicated by a full stop signifying full completion of the sense. Third, the couplet is closed, not requiring the aid of either predecessor or a successor to complete its meaning. Fourth, the rhyme is also single. Fifth, the number of syllable is 10. And sixth, double rhyme is rarely found. The couplet quoted below is a fine example of the heroic couplet. The heroic couplet we first used in England by Chaucer, Thomas Watt, Sidney and Spenser, Marlowe, Shakespeare, Dryden, Pope and William Cowper. Generally, its use renewed in fashion in heroic, serious or satirical poems and plays during the Restoration period. It is out of use in modern age and gradually disappeared. In other words, we can say its use remained in fashion in heroic, serious and satirical poems, plays during the Restoration period. It is out of use in modern age and gradually disappeared. Now, next term, blank verse. Blank verse means verse without rhyme, especially the iambic pentameter or unrhymed heroic verses. It is closest to the natural rhyme of English speech. This development can also traced into the Elizabethan drama and in the plays of Shakespeare. Milton's Paradise Lost, Wordsworth's The Prelude are written in this meter. It should, however, be noted that blank verse is difficult from free verse, which has no regular meter. Student, blank verse means atukant chan. Now, next, lyric. Lyric is a song which can be sung to music. The word derives its origin from the musical instrument lyric. It is increasingly used for an fairly short poem which need not have any narrative continuity but expresses an emotion or a feeling. Lyrics are often intense. Intense means saghan. Intense and emotional. The poet may be expressing a personal memory or musing in solitude or recollecting some past experience. Hence, it may be autobiographical. A lyric can be an expression of happiness as well as sorrow. The term lyric is often applied to all classes of poetry which are neither narrative nor dramatic in character. Here we propose to limit lyric poetry to poetry which is subjective in character and which is the expression of poet's own thought. It is the poetic cry from the heart of the poet. It is the expression of the poet's own feelings without joy and sorrows of life. The chief characteristics of the lyric poetry are given below. First, it is musical, metrically or verbally or both. Second, it is subjective in character. Third, it is the expression of single emotion and to achieves unity. Fourth, it is spontaneous in character. Fifth, compared with other types of poetry, it is short. Next, it enjoys an endless variety of form. Next, there is often a haunting loveliness in lyric which eludes all tests. That's enough. Thanks.